Hey guys, this is Reaction Valley, and in today's video, I'll be reacting to the teaser of this upcoming Kannada film called Trikona, and it's been directed by Chandrakant and written by Raj Shekhar. It has a fabulous star cast, so there are some wonderful stars like Suresh Heblikar, Lakshmi, Achit Kumar, and Sudharini. So here's a request from my end that if you're watching this reaction video of mine for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos.
ರೀ ತುಂಬ ಹೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಆ ರಾಕ್ಷಸ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಾನು ಹೆಡ್ಲೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ, ನಾಯಿ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ.
ರೀ ಅವ್ನು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
So after watching this teaser, there are a few words which come to my mind if I'm asked to describe the teaser, and they are: it was interesting, it was intriguing, and also it was mysterious. So as per the teaser itself, we'll get to see a face-off between power, ego, and patience. And also it says that we'll get to see the victory of the weakest. So I guess, you know, all these things will definitely play a huge part in the movie. And in a nutshell, this movie is going to highlight the importance of patience in one's life, how it can be a game changer in our life, and also how it can make the things go upside down if we don't have patience in ourselves, and also, you know, patience to hear out, to listen to other people's issues and problems. So this mysterious character is on a lookout of some people, and he's actually stalking them. He's following them in his strange vehicle that he has. And also another interesting aspect about this character is that he's dressed as the death god, as the Yamraj. And why exactly is he following it? I think we'll get to get a better idea of that once the trailer is out. But from whatever I could make out from this is that maybe these people that he's following is actually on his hit list. He wants to punish those people because maybe they've been a part of some rash driving incident, and that's why this character has taken upon himself to punish them and actually make them realize what heinous stuff that they've been doing all this while. And also talking about the music, well, the music was really superb. It adds to the mystery, it adds to the impact of the teaser. So the music composer has done a commendable job. Also, there were some solid action sequences too in this teaser, so one can expect a lot of high octane action scenes in the movie, and it'll be really interesting to watch the story unfold because like I said, the teaser does give you somewhat idea about the things happening in the movie, but I'm not really sure if the conclusion that I've come to is correct or not. So I think to get a better idea of the movie, I'll have to watch the trailer. But if the trailer also turns out to be as mysterious as the teaser, then I think it'll work for the movie because more and more people will be hooked to the trailer and they would actually look forward to the release of the movie. So like I said, I found the teaser very interesting and it was mysterious at the same time. Thank you so much for recommending this teaser to me. Also, if you have some more recommendations from your end for my future reaction videos, then do share all your suggestions and recommendations in the comment section. Other than that, you can connect with me on Twitter and Instagram by simply typing Reaction Wali. So that's about it. और Reaction Wali को दीजिए इजाजत, मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट वाले रिएक्शन वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए always stay positive and keep smiling.